Hey guys, so today we're off back to the garage job to do the rendering, which should take us around a week I think to do. So I'm just on my way there this morning and we'll see how we get on. So I'll see you there. Hi guys, got the first coat on now. It's alright, it's going off nicely. I'm just going to give this a brush to get these snots off. It's dried a bit more. And I'm good to go on second coat. Coats on. Morning guys, it's day 3 today and we've just got this wet up ready to go on this side. So we've done the front and I've done round the other side, somewhere round that side. So we're gonna have a bash at this side. But it's looking good so far, so hopefully we can carry on that like that. Second coat going on in a minute. I just had to hose it down because it's a bit warm. I think we're good to go now. I'm just getting this mix ready and get up there and get this second coat on. That's it guys, this side is done. So we've got this side done. I'll take you around. The front done. And we've got this side done. So all that's left now is the back, but I think I'm going to do this in two because it's absolutely massive. I'll just show you it. Yeah, it's a bit big to do in one for me anyway. So I'm going to do the top half and then the bottom half. So top half tomorrow, bottom half the day after, and we should be done. I'm not going to bother filming it, I'm just going to skip to it finished, I think, because I think you've seen enough by now. So hopefully in a minute you'll be seeing the finished rendering, which I'm pretty happy about. I think it's gone pretty well. Right, cheers for watching guys, see you later. That's it, that's that side done.